Did you know you can pay your bills using First Interstate's mobile app? Setting up one-time or recurring payments is easy. Open your mobile app and click the Bill Pay icon in the navigation bar. Tap the Payees tab to add the company or person you wish to pay. If the company is already on file with Bill Pay, the name will display in a drop-down and you may select it. Most of these payments should process electronically. If you need to add a person or company that is not in Bill Pay, select the orange Add button and provide all details required: account, address, etc. These payments will be sent as a check. After you add the payee, you can choose to set up auto pay or just click the Make a Payment button and you will be redirected to set up a one-time payment. From there, select the funding accounts, amount, and deliver by date. Then simply click Pay. Setting up autopay allows you to never worry about missing a payment again. And you can track upcoming payments by clicking on the Schedule tab on the Bill Pay screen. If you have any questions about Bill Pay, call our Client Contact Center or send them a secure message within the app via Secure Support. Thank you for using the First Interstate mobile app.